The president's healthcare website is dealing with a surge of people signing up for insurance coverage. People have been rushing to beat a deadline that just keeps changing. Wyatt Anders is in Washington with the latest. Wyatt, good morning.
Vanita and Jeff, good morning. Well, the deadline for January coverage under Obamacare was supposed to be Monday, but the deadline has been extended now in several states and extended on the federal website, healthcare.gov, if you were placed on the website's wait list. The question now is whether insurance companies can react in time to start all this new coverage by next Wednesday.
There's the policy number and then there's a member ID.
In Austin, Texas, applicants for Obamacare say they delayed signing up at first because the website was unreliable, but then came the deadline.
It's last minute on everything, but of course it's necessary.
The last week has brought a surge of enrollments into Obamacare. 5,000 in Kentucky, more than 7,000 in Connecticut, 20,000 in Washington State, and 100,000 in California. Peter Lee is the executive director of the state marketplace, Covered California.
We've had huge momentum over the last 4 days. I mean, in 4 days, over 100,000 Californians enrolled in coverage. That's about as many as enrolled in the first 2 months, October and November.
California is one of several states allowing residents to sign up through Friday for coverage that begins next week, January 1st. The federal website, healthcare.gov, has repeatedly extended its deadline from December 15th to the 23rd, then the 24th. Now the website says for some people stuck in waiting lines, we can still help you get covered. The last-minute sign-ups put pressure on insurance companies to process the new customers and confirm they have coverage. Karen Defnall of Bealton, Virginia, says she thought she signed up for Blue Cross in early December, but is worried she hasn't heard from the company.
I need verification that, the Defnall family exists in the system and that we do indeed have health coverage.
Did you expect it to be this difficult?
No, not at all. I don't think anybody did.
If you are one of those people who signed up at the last minute, the states, federal government, and the insurance companies all say to call the insurance company directly to confirm your coverage and to pay your first month's premium. In most states and for most companies, Jeff and Vanita, the deadline for payment is now January 10th.
Wyatt, thank you very much.